Hello, friends. This topic is taken from art and culture. The title of today's video is Titanic Movie Unwritten Code of Social Values. The Titanic movies depicted the sinking of Titanic ship. In that ship, there were three classes of people. The first class people were ultra rich, listing their names in Forbes 400. The second class people were also inhabited by rich professionals. Remaining belongs to the third class. During its maiden voyage en route to New York City from England, around 1,500 passenger and ship personnel sank on 14 or 15 April 1912. In the movie, as the ship was sinking, the first class passengers scrambled to climb into the small number of lifeboats. Only the determination of hardy seamen who use guns to keep the plutocrat at bay gets the women and children into the boat. In fact, according to survivors' account, the Women and Children First Convention was observed with almost no exception among the first class. The statistics makes this plain. In the first class, every child was saved and 139 women out of 144 were saved. Three of the remaining five dead women chose to die with their husband. By contrast, 70% of the men in the first class perished. In the second class, 80% of women were saved, but 90% of the men drowned or sank. The largest proportion of people in death belongs to the third class. John Jacob Astor, reputedly the richest man in America at that time, was on the ship. Was said to have fought his way to a boat, put his wife in it, and then refusing to take a seat, stepped back and waved her goodbye. Benjamin Guggenheim, the rich businessman, similarly declined a seat for himself, yielding his place to a woman, asking only that she convey a message home. Tell my wife I played the game, out straight and to the end. After watching the movie, I got the following impression. The first one is passenger endowed with the greater economic resources, that is traveling in first class, have a much higher chance of being saved than passenger traveling in second and third class. This is consistent with the hypothesis that persons of higher social means are more likely to survive in a disaster. Second hypothesis that the social norms such as Women and Children First Convention vanishes under the condition of extreme duress is rejected. Finally, John Jacob Astor and Benjamin Guggenheim showed us that the privilege comes with the responsibility. To conclude, The movie Titanic highlighted the unwritten code of social values. Thank you for watching my video.